Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to remove my AI from Snapchat. Now this method works both for Android and iPhone, so let's jump right into it. First let's go ahead and open Snapchat and then go to your chats by tapping here on the bottom. From here you can see that I have my AI. Now if I try to go ahead and remove it just like removing any other friend by long tapping on the chat and tapping on manage friendship, I cannot remove it from here. So let me show you how to do that. Tap on the chat of my AI. From there, tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner to go to its profile. From here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Report this account. Now tap on their spammer and tap on their creepy or annoying. Tap on Submit, block, and as you can see here, there is no longer my AI. You have removed it successfully, and that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.